In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create transparent text in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering this technique will help elevate your designs, giving them a professional edge. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to open Canva. You can do this by navigating to canva.com on your browser or using the Canva app on your device. If you don't have an account yet, it's a straightforward process to sign up. Once you're in, you'll be ready to start creating. Next, create a new design. On the dashboard, you should see an option to start a design by selecting a custom size or choosing from the myriad of preset dimensions Canva offers. Depending on your project, you might want a Facebook post size, an Instagram story, or something else entirely. Select what fits your needs best and open a blank canvas. Now, it's time to add a background. This could be an image, a video, or even just a color gradient depending on the effect you're aiming for. You can upload your own pictures or use one of Canva's vast collections of free images and videos. Drag your choice onto the canvas to set it as the backdrop of your design. A visually interesting background will make your transparent text effects stand out even more. With your background set, turn your attention to the left-hand toolbar and click on Text. You'll be presented with a variety of text options, from simple headings to more stylized templates. Choose the option that best suits your design, and a text box will appear on your canvas. Go ahead and type your desired text into this text box, whether it's a catchy phrase, a motivating quote, or just a simple title. Ensure it's both legible and aligns with your overall design theme. Once you've got your text in place, select it by clicking on it. This action will bring up a toolbar at the top of your screen with different options to customize your text. Now look for the Effects button in that toolbar and click on it. You'll see a range of text effects options. Look for the one labeled Hollow and select it. This effect will outline the text, creating the initial phase of transparency. Finally, to refine the transparency, adjust the thickness of the outline. You'll notice a slider that lets you change how thick or thin the text outline is. By reducing the thickness, the interior of the text will become more transparent, letting your background subtly show through while still keeping the text legible. It's this delicate balance that will give your design a polished, sophisticated look. And there you have it. You've successfully created transparent text in Canva. This technique adds a dynamic flair to any visual project you work on. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to use this newfound skill in your future designs. Happy designing in Canva.